Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use fish oil and its benefits. Fish oil is a popular supplement, primarily sourced from fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. It's packed with essential omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These are vital nutrients our bodies need, but cannot produce on their own, making supplementation a great option for many. The benefits of fish oil are extensive. It's well known for supporting cardiovascular health, helping to lower high triglyceride levels. Furthermore, fish oil possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can benefit various bodily systems. Many also find it beneficial for cognitive function and maintaining sharp vision. Plus, it can even contribute to healthier skin. When considering how to take fish oil, you'll find it in various forms, most commonly as softgel capsules or a liquid. A general recommendation for daily intake is between 250 and 500 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA. It's always best to take your supplement with a meal to improve absorption and reduce any potential digestive discomfort. Remember to consult your doctor for tailored advice. Before incorporating fish oil, ensure you select a high-quality supplement that has been third-party tested for purity. While generally safe, some people might experience mild side effects, such as a slight fishy aftertaste or upset stomach. It's crucial not to exceed the recommended dosage without consulting a healthcare provider. Proper storage in a cool, dark place will also help maintain its effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.